Alright, this is my 2007 Nissan Xterra. I'm doing the transmission cooler swap. There's been problems with the transmission fluid leaking into the radiator because the way Nissan has this thing figured up, it runs out of the transmission into the radiator, through the radiator lines, out of the radiator into an external transmission cooler, and then back into the transmission. Problem is, at some point around 90,000 to 95,000 miles, something either corrodes, breaks inside the radiator, and the closed lines inside the radiator start mixing transmission fluid and radiator coolant, which ends up in a destroyed transmission, which can range from $3,800 to $7,000. I've heard a bunch of different things. $7,000 for Nissan to replace it, but the quick fix for it, which takes about 15 minutes, is you just eliminate the portion that goes into the radiator. You take the little skid plate off right here, and originally, you can see this. Let's see. So originally, right here, it comes out of the transmission up to the transmission cooler. That's the return line. It comes out of the transmission here and goes in here to the passenger side of the radiator. It originally, this hose here went in here and then goes through the radiator, comes out here, back around this pipe, and goes back in here. So what you do is you take the line that goes up to the external transmission cooler and you put it up here. So it comes out, goes to the transmission cooler, and then back in to the transmission, eliminating this part here, which just ends up being a closed loop. So that way you eliminate the problem of it going into the radiator and then possibly leaking and causing a mess. I'd also drained all the transmission fluid out of this radiator line. There wasn't much. You can see